Hi there, I'm Dai Oliveira and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw the Beast Boy from Teen Titans Go step by step. So let's draw with me today. It's a very simple drawing and you are gonna make it. We are gonna start sketching the head shape just like a rounded square. This is our first step, so take it easy with your pencil. Don't put so much strain on it. I'm gonna make this very light line right here. This is gonna be the hairline and the ear line. Now I'm gonna start drawing the hair, going down, going up. It's a rounded shape, and I'm gonna make a lot of more rounded lines to finish up the hair. We need to make these tips to construct the Beast Boy's hair. We are going down the line and make the last tips here this way. I can erase the lines that are no longer needed. We are now following this line of the hair to make the big ear of the Beast Boy. Going up the line, going down the line, a rounded line, and this is the ear that we are looking for. Erasing the lines that I don't need anymore, and I'm gonna add some details in the middle of the ear. In the bottom, I'm gonna finish the head shape. And now it's time to draw the other ear, and I'm gonna make these lines to know when it starts and when it ends, just this way. Now we have the head's base of the Beast Boy, and now we can start the face. I'm gonna divide in two and make some markers to help me visualize the face elements. This is gonna be the base of the eyes. Right up here, it's gonna be the eyebrows. And here, the top of the eyes. Let's start with the eyes. It's gonna be rounded with this shape. One oval shape in the middle, and this little circle must be left in blank. Let's make the other eye. Same thing, but in other position because of the perspective. This needs to be in the middle, right here. The nose, I'm gonna make these little lines, little rounded lines. Now the smile, that's gonna be very large and simple with this line, and the teeth that is falling off the mouth. Now the eyebrows, that makes so much difference in our Beast Boy. This shape right here. On the left side, the eyebrow is bigger because of the angle. Now I'm gonna erase the lines that I don't need anymore and clean my drawing before we can use our black brush. This marker is so satisfying. I love to make this on my drawings. And this is our drawing. And it needs coloring, right? Now I'm gonna clean the lines with pencil, and let's paint with green. Let's color everything with colored pencil. This is a very satisfying green to watch, right? Am I crazy? Feel everything with this beautiful green. And I need now a darker green to paint the hair, the Beastie Boys hair. Fill everything. Now I'm gonna retouch the black. And this is our drawing. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe. Come back tomorrow to draw with me again. Bye!